In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to book train tickets to anywhere in Nigeria the easiest way possible. So make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Whether you're planning a trip from Lagos to Ibadan, or you need the latest Kaduna train schedule, or hey, maybe you just want to explore routes like Abuja to Kaduna or Warri, this comprehensive guide is going to help you in every step of the way. Discover how to check schedules, compare prices, and book train tickets online quickly and conveniently without stress, without hassle. Active train stations and train routes in Nigeria. So, Nigeria has several train stations that are active. The major routes include Lagos to Ibadan, Abuja to Kaduna, and Lagos to Abeokuta. Key train stations include Ido in Lagos, that is in the Mobolaji Johnson station in Ibutemeta, Ibadan station, Abuja's Idu station, and Kaduna's Rigasa station. These stations serve as hubs for passengers and freight services, connecting various regions and enhancing mobility. So, how much is train ticket in Nigeria exactly? The train ticket prices in Nigeria vary depending on various routes and class of service. For example, a one-way trip from Abuja to Kaduna costs between 3,000 and 9,000 naira depending on the class you choose. Lagos to Ibadan tickets range from 3,000 to 9,000 naira. These prices are subject to change, however, so it's advisable to always check with the NRC or relevant ticketing platforms for the latest fares. How to book train tickets in Nigeria? Booking train tickets in Nigeria can be done at the train station or online. At the station, there are ticket counters where you can buy tickets directly. For online purchases, make sure you visit the NRC official website or any other authorized ticketing platforms. Here is a step-by-step way to book train tickets online in Nigeria. First of all, visit the official NRC website. It's designed to provide a seamless experience, allowing you to check schedules, choose your preferred class, and book tickets effortlessly on the go. Number two, select your route. Explore the various routes available across Nigeria. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, from Lagos to Ibadan or Lagos to Kaduna, the extensive network covers key destinations to suit your needs. Third step, choose your class. Tailor your journey by selecting your preferred class. Whether you want to choose standard or executive, each class offers a unique travel experience to match your preference and budget. Number four, select your travel date and passengers. Specify your travel dates and the number of passengers. The booking system ensures that you have the flexibility to plan your trip according to your schedule. Number five, secure your payment. Rest easy knowing that your online transactions are secure. The NRC platform accepts various payment methods, providing you with hassle-free and secure booking experience. And last but not the least, receive your e-ticket. Once you book your train tickets, you will receive e-tickets directly to your email. So when you go to the train station, simply tender your e-ticket and your booking reference, and you are ready to board the train. So how do you reserve train tickets? To reserve train tickets, visit the NRC website or an authorized ticketing platform. Select your route, choose your travel date, and make payment. Reservations can also be made at train station ticket counters. So what is the train schedule in Nigeria like? Train schedules in Nigeria vary by route. Generally, trains operate daily on major routes like Lagos to Ibadan and Abuja to Kaduna. The best thing for you to do is to check the latest schedule on the NRC website or at the train stations themselves. Ibadan to Lagos train schedule. Trains from Ibadan to Lagos run daily with multiple departures. The first train typically leaves in the early morning at 8 a.m., while the second train departs in the afternoon by 4 p.m. Trains only leave Ibadan to Lagos twice daily, so ensure not to miss your train. Abuja to Kaduna train schedule. The Abuja to Kaduna route has several daily departures starting from early in the morning to late afternoon. Make sure you check the NRC website or station for precise timings. Lagos to Abeokuta train schedule. Lagos to Abeokuta train runs multiple times a day. The first train typically leaves in the early morning at 8 a.m., while the second train departs in the afternoon. Trains only leave from Lagos to Abeokuta twice daily, so ensure not to miss your train once again. Things to know before you book a train ticket in Nigeria. Before you book your train ticket, it's essential to be well informed to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Here are some important things to note. Number one, your route options. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the available train routes, determine the starting and ending points of your journey, and check if there are stops or stations along the way. Number two, train classes. Nigeria's train service offers various classes, each with its own set of perks and pricing. Understand the differences between standard business and executive classes and choose the one that fits your budget and preference. Number three, schedule and timing. Make sure to check the train schedule and timing for your chosen route. Trains in Nigeria typically operate on specific schedules, and it's crucial to plan your journey around these timings so that you don't miss your trip. Number four, booking platforms. Identify the official and reliable platforms for booking train tickets in Nigeria. Many train services provide online booking options, ensuring convenience and ease of access. Number five, payment methods. Understand the accepted payment method for booking train tickets. Ensure that the platform you choose supports your preferred payment method and that the transaction process is secure. Some of the more popular methods available include bank transfer, paystack, point of sale machines, or debit cards. Number six, e-tickets and confirmation. Ensure that you receive a confirmation email with your e-ticket after completing your booking online. This is your proof that you've actually paid, and without this, they won't let you board. So have the digital ticket or booking reference ready for boarding. Number seven, travel regulations and guidelines. Stay informed about travel regulation guidelines or COVID-19 protocols that may be in place at the time of your travel. This includes safety measures, luggage restrictions, and any health-related requirements. Number 8. Refund and cancellation policies. Last but not the least, understand the refund and cancellation policies of the train service. Know the terms and conditions associated with cancelling or rescheduling your journey, and beware of any associated fees. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you learned how to book your train tickets online. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you in the next video.